Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty by Ashley Delgado here. Today I am going to be filming my first T5A video for you all. I'm very excited about this new series that I'm doing, and I hope that you all are as excited as I am. And if you have any recommendations or any suggestions on what you want to see on my T5A series, then please drop a comment down below and I will make sure to get it out there for you. So if you want to join me on this series T5A, make sure you grab your cup of coffee and take 5 with me. Today I'm going to be doing the feathered look eyebrow. I'm going to show you what products that I use so that I can get that look. I did recently purchase this Benefit feathered and full brow kit, but another secret of mine that I will use to get my feathered look is this Got To Be glue. So I'm going to show you how I do it with this, and I'm also going to do it with this one right here. So first I'm going to start off by filling in my eyebrows. Today I'm going to be using my Precisely my brow pencil from Benefit. I start from underneath the brow with the outline, so I kind of give the line of where I'm going to be filling in, and I like to do it on both sides before I start going crazy with the fill-in because I want to make sure that they are even. I'm just going to go and outline all the way to the end, like so. We will clean that up afterwards, so don't worry about it. You can do it as thick or as thin as you like. Like I said, I don't grow hair there, so I like to fill that in. So towards the front of my brows, I typically will go up instead of going this way. With the spoolie side of the pencil, you're just gonna brush that up like so to make it look more natural. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my concealer, and I use NARS and Custard, and I'm gonna take a flat brush just like this. So you wanna make sure that you get your concealer on both sides of the brush. Make sure that you're putting enough product on the brush so that when you carve out, you can do it without lifting your brush from your skin, and you can make sure that you get the nice sharp line. So we're gonna take it from the ends, and you're gonna go slide all the way. Then with my Expert concealer brush from Real Techniques, it's really good to blend out. So you're gonna blend that product. All right, so with the Got To Be glue, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a spoolie, and like I just put a tiny bit, that's a lot, less than that. I take the spoolie and I kind of just get the product on there. So you see I have that product there, and I'm gonna brush up. All right, so there is your feathered look. After you've filled in your brow, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in with that fiber gel. And I'm gonna show you. So the brush is a tiny brush. It just looks like, it's a tiny brush. It looks like that. So what you're gonna do with this brush is the same thing. You're just gonna kind of brush those hairs up. So there we go. So that's the gel. And then you're gonna go in with your 24-hour setter. So you're just gonna comb that in. All right guys, so that is it. That is my feathered eyebrow look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for taking 5 with me today. Bye guys.